going on, guys? Sideways Performance back again with another video. So in this video we'll be cleaning the filter to my cold air intake. As you can see, taking off my cold air intake, I do have an SMB cold air intake. It does have a cover of plexiglass that covers it. So as you can see, I'm using a solution from a K&N filter cleaning kit, which I'll link in the description below. So just spray it a few times until it gets pretty soaked. Then you're gonna let it work its magic for like 2-3 minutes. Then rinse it off from the inside out. As you can see, all that solution's coming out on the floor. So what I did is I just kept rinsing and rinsing until it wasn't foaming up no more. So you soon see me rinsing it off a good amount of times, probably like a good 2-5 minutes, till the solution was finally cleared out of the whole filter. So then once you're done rinsing it off, you're gonna let it dry completely, and then you're gonna have a red aerosol can that has like a special oil for the filters, which gives it that color back. So you're just gonna spray it all around and then let it dry for like 5 minutes, then spray another coat, and that's how the filter should look like. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next one.